Welcome back to FluentMinds. Here's another story with vocabulary for level A1 English students. Listen carefully. After the story, answer the questions I have for you today.
Hi, Mike. How was your weekend?
Hey, Anna. It was good, thanks. I went to a party on Saturday. It was fun.
Oh, cool. What did you do there?
Well, I ate some food, and we played a few games. I met some new people, too.
Sounds great. Did you stay up late?
Yes, I did. I stayed up until midnight because we danced and talked a lot. What about you? How was your weekend?
I didn't do much. I stayed home and practiced my flute. I also watched a movie.
Nice. What movie did you watch?
I watched an old comedy. It was funny, but I didn't like the ending. After that, I wrote a list of things to do for the week.
That sounds like a relaxing weekend. I didn't do much work, but I did get a new job interview.
Really? Congratulations. When is it?
Thanks. It's on Wednesday. I'm a little nervous, but I think it will be okay.
Good luck. I'm sure you'll do great. Did you prepare for the interview?
I did, a little. I wrote a list of questions to ask, and I read some information about the company 2 days ago. But I still need to practice my answers.
That's a good idea. You should practice your answers with a friend. I know that helps me before an interview.
Yeah, I think I will. How about you? Did you have any interviews last month?
Yes, I did. I had some. The first one was really stressful, but I did well. After the interview, I felt so relieved.
I hope I feel the same way after mine. So, what else did you do this weekend?
On Sunday, I went for a walk in the park. The weather was so nice. I met a friend there, and we talked for a long time. We discussed our plans for the next few weeks. After that, I went home and wrote some notes for my job applications.
That sounds nice. I didn't get the chance to relax much, but it was a good weekend. I also called my mom to wish her a happy birthday.
That's sweet. Did you buy her a gift?
Yes, I bought her a beautiful necklace. She loved it. I also made her a homemade card.
She must have been so happy. Well, I hope your interview goes well, Mike.
Thank you, Anna. I'm sure I'll be fine. Let's meet again soon, okay?
Definitely. Let's plan something for next weekend.
Here are Anna and Mark from today's story. Let's see how much you understood from their story. What did Mike do at the party? What did Mike do at the party? How did Anna spend her weekend? How did Anna spend her weekend? When is Mike's job interview? When is Mike's job interview? What did Mike buy for his mom? What did Mike buy for his mom? How did Anna prepare for her job applications? How did Anna prepare for her job applications? What did Anna and her friend talk about in the park? What did Anna and her friend talk about in the park? Listen again if you need it, and subscribe to FluentMinds for more English practice.